Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable character hints on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on spoken content, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on chipping feedback, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to character hints, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean character hints disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.